Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see whether we can delete our transaction history or not. So the simple answer is that we cannot directly go into our transactions and delete them. And in order to open up transactions, you just have to click on the bottom right hand side corner and you will be able to access all your transactions over here. But you cannot delete them directly, but still there is a workaround, and for that you will have to delete your Cash App account and start a new account. And that's the only way to start over. But make sure that you cash out all your money from current Cash App account, so you don't lose on any money out here. So in order to start a new account and delete this one, you will have to open up your profile and then scroll down and go to support. And in support, you have to click on this option of something else. Just select it, then scroll down and you will find this option of account settings. Just click on it. Then you need to scroll down and you will find this option of close your Cash App account. Just click on it and delete your Cash App account and start a new account. And this way you will be able to get rid of all your transaction history. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.